test. You know, I'm just going to change the tones on the Rushney to but what's it? B fast sweep. Turn the Rushneys on. BS fast sweep. On BS fast sweep. So I'll turn off number 4. I'll turn on number 4 and switch off number 5. So I know I'll do it from the you know I'll start off with you know this call point. I'll do it from this call point going this one. So it's not a damn right tone, was it? It wasn't on the right tone even. No, it was fast sweep. Have to do also. I'll do the other one now. I'll do put the key in from the side. I have to do it like that. That I will. Well, I know it would work pretty well. I know it will. My fire alarms are good. Yes, and I'll make sure I'll, you know, turn the switch on and I'll press the cycle one. This one I will push. I know it works pretty well. I've got the LED working in it alright, didn't I? Thank you.